creatively or like mentally, I think I haven't been my best of late. Even if you post on social media and I get the likes, I get the comments, I like mad, it's nice, all of them things. But at the same time, I just feel like there's something lacking and there's something I'm actually really missing. And I think I have figured it out. Or should I say I think I might have figured it out. So let me talk to you guys about it. To start with, I feel like when I have the creative freedom to actually like do stuff, like what I mean by that is when I tend to like plan out a shoot myself and like call up a model, call up the stylist, the fashion stylist, whoever person, and I tend to put all of these things together and like sell off the idea of what I want to like pull off. I hope I'm recording. Yeah, I am. So if I do all of this and I do these shoots, I end up enjoying the images. I love every single thing about it because I feel like during post-production, even on the day of the shoot, I tend to move things around. I could do different things I want to do and I get excited, and literally anybody on set with me would see the excitement on my face and the way I act, like, okay, let's just get this done this way, let's do it this way. I get back on my computer, I'm excited to open the files, I just want to get everything done. And I post images and I'm happy about it. But I noticed when it comes to now doing jobs for clients, many a times I don't get the same kind of excitement that I get with my own shoots. Not like I do a bad job. I don't do a bad job. I think my job is somewhat good. But I don't get the same thrill and excitement, and it has always never been like that. I used to get excited in every single shoot I do. So what's going on? That's what I've been trying to figure out, and sincerely, I took some time out. I remember I switched my camera system to Lumix. I switched it to Lumix for some time. When I was having this kind of feeling, I was like, okay, maybe it's because I'm using another camera brand, which I don't think was a fault. I decided to go back. I purchased my Sony, which I was using. I purchased a Sony camera. I started using it. I thought that was going to be the problem, probably maybe because I wasn't seeing the colors the way I was meant to see the colors or something. And down the line of using the Sony camera, I figured out this is not a problem. Like, it's still same thing. Until I figured it out, I think. I need to zoom in this part so you guys can see my facial expression well. Okay, zoom in. So as I was saying, guys, I think I found the reason why. And the reason why is client jobs. I think I don't get the creative freedom to actually do what I want to do. It's an half and half thing because I feel like, a client is paying you money, so literally they own the right to be able to tell you, this is what I want, this is how I want it, and all of those things, because obviously they are the one paying you the money in it. So I guess that is the problem. But now I get it. I'm now like, okay, if that's the problem, how can I solve this problem? If I feel like this is the problem, obviously I can't say I want to stop shooting for clients, because literally, how am I going to survive? I'm gonna be living on the streets of London. And I don't want to be sleeping on the streets. So what am I gonna do? But at the same time, we all need to realize that this is affecting me in a negative way, because the zeal, the excitement I used to find in photography is actually dying. So I thought about this. This is no offense to any client whatsoever. I love and respect everybody that has booked me or that books me, that pays me money, because you lot are the one paying my rent, you're the one putting food on my table. Aside that, is God, but it's God. God won't come down from heaven to do all of that. He has to go through humans. But yeah, it's been you guys. But I think I've come to a point in my life right now. I need to fix this. This is cringing me out. Oh my god, everybody's gonna be like, what the fuck is wrong with Tim right now? Check up on Tim. I think he's going mad. So no disrespect to any of my clients whatsoever, but I think I've come to a point in my life in which I need to start accepting jobs or discussing with clients about what they want, how they want, what they want, what I can give them, and what they should be expecting. I know this is a whole lot, but I think this would bring back the team of years before. Because why would a client pay me money, and the next thing in the back of my mind when going down to my studio or whatever is, I already know in the back of my mind, oh, Tim, you're going to get to the studio, you're going to roll the backdrop down, you're going to place one light in one corner, you're going to have a few lights, and you're going to click your camera shutter, make the client stand in front of your camera and click, and that's it, done, good. You've shared the experience with them. It is tiring. Once everything I do start becoming a routine, I'm going to that day after day, it gets boring for me, and I'm not that kind of person. I don't want to keep doing the same thing I've done yesterday. I don't want to do it today. I don't want to do it next tomorrow. I don't want to do it. It's tiring. At this point in time, I think what I need to start doing is I need to literally start discussing with clients and telling them, okay, you want to have a shoot, you want to have a birthday shoot, for example, what's the idea you have? Even if they send me a bare idea that I know, okay, this is nothing, I want to be able to chip out my idea and be like, oh, okay, this is nice, I can see your outfit actually looks really nice. Okay, why don't you think we do it this way so it actually doesn't look it doesn't look just like a regular image, because you're paying me a whole lot to shoot you in the first place. Listen, I am not expensive, but I feel like you lot pay me. Allow me do my shit. You pay me your hard-earned money. Allow me do my stuff. Like, it gets to me when I tend to shoot images and I'm sending the files out to clients for selections, and the images they are selecting is like, bruh, I wouldn't even be able to close my eyes and pick some certain images some clients select. I wouldn't. If I'm drunk, I wouldn't pick those images. Guys, I wouldn't. Because they are not cutting it, but this is the image the client is going to select that they like. And the answer in my head is, well, the client selected it, they paid for this shit, so yeah, you just have to do it. There's no joy in doing it. There's no joy while editing these images. I'm just going to do because, yeah, I've been paid for it, and give it to them. Nah. I think I'm just in the phase right now that I think I just want to start speaking up. Telling clients no, telling them yes, telling them, no, sorry, darling, the images you selected aren't cutting it. I shot better pictures during the shoot. That's not it. Or probably I'm going to edit an image, color grade the image in a way that I find like, oh my goodness, God, this image is looking really nice. And you give it to some of these clients and they say, why am I looking dark? Like, sincerely, they be like, why am I looking dark? Do you go to some of those people that you're actually a photographer? You know when the image is dark or when it is too bright. It is part of you being a photographer. But clients wouldn't see this, and they don't know this is actually messing with my own creative decision. So, like I said, guys, I think I found the solution. It's for me to speak up, talk to clients more, ask what they want, tell them what I want to give them, give a visual representation of how I think their shoot should go. And this way I should find the excitement and the joy of being a photographer or being a creative that I am. And the client should also be happy. Because, note, these clients literally see most of these shoots I have done as personal projects on my page, on my website, on my Instagram, before they reached out and said, oh, I want to book you to do this shoot for me. So if they've seen this body of work, why are they complaining about their images looking some certain way? I'm a creative, I'm an artist. Allow me be an artist.